Introducing the ultimate game changer for your lighting needs, the NextLED cordless LED drop light. This powerful light offers up to 3,500 lumens of bright, clear illumination, ensuring you can see every detail, whether you're working on a car, tackling a home improvement project, or lighting up your campsite. The NextLED cordless LED drop light is not just a tool, it's your reliable partner for any project. Get yours today at mynextled.com. Tired of tangled cords and poor lighting? Meet the NextLED cordless drop light. Cordless and rechargeable, it's always ready with up to 6 hours of runtime. Hands-free operation with a strong magnetic base and hook, along with adjustable light levels and a rotating head for precision lighting. 1,000 lumens high beam, durable and impact resistant. NextLED's cordless drop light, your ultimate work light solution. Get yours today at mynextled.com.